So here's the question that talks about finding the coordinates of the center of a circle. In our previous sessions, if you recall, I did talk about the equations of a circle, and I said that the general equation of a circle can be written as x minus a all squared plus y minus b all squared equals r squared, where a comma b is the center of the circle and then r is the radius of the circle. So now, but when a question is given to you, you need to be very careful to understand and read in between the lines to know what exactly the examiner is asking you to do. So this is Edexcel A-level paper 1 to be precise, and this question says a circle C has equation x squared plus y squared minus 4x plus 10y equals k, where k is a constant. Find the coordinates of the center C. So all you need to do is to write the equation, this equation, in the form of this so that you can easily pick out your center. Now, do not forget how you complete the squares in a quadratic equation. So let's go. This is x squared plus y squared minus 4x plus 10y equals k. So to the right hand side you have k, that's a constant that you don't know right now, but eventually you might have cause to know that. And then x squared plus y squared, you may just want to follow certain rules by maybe rearranging. You have x squared minus 4x so that it will be clearer when you are solving the question, plus y squared plus 10y equals k. So at this point, so assume you are completing the squares. You are going to add to both sides the square of the half of the coefficient of x and y. So recall that x squared minus 4x, then you say plus the square of the half. What is half of minus 4? That's going to, do not forget to put it in bracket, so minus 2, then you square, plus y squared plus 10y, then plus 5 squared equals k. Now don't forget also that whatever you do to the left hand side you must also do to the right hand side. So let me try to simplify this first. Before I do that to the right hand side, I have x minus 2 squared plus y plus 5 squared equals k, plus now you have minus 2 squared plus 5 squared. At this point, it means that all you need to do is to make sure that your equation looks exactly like the standard way of writing the equation. Of course, you have a k there, so you need to be careful. And so, since there is a k, you don't know the value for k, but let's just proceed. So you have y plus 5 equals k plus, this is minus 2 squared 4 plus 25. So you can just say this is k plus 29. Now, what is important? The center of the circle. If you compare this to the center of the circle, don't forget the formula again. I'm going to restate it. Which means that your A is going to be 2 and your B is minus 5. Therefore, your center will now be 2, minus 5. So that's it. That's how you find the center for the equation of the circle. Now, it says state the range of possible values for k. Now, if you want to state the range for possible values of k, remember that k let's say k plus 29, that's what we have here, okay. So which means that k plus 29 must definitely be greater than 0. Therefore, k will be greater than minus 29. So the possible values will be from minus 28, and it goes on and on. It could be any number in that range. Thank you for listening to this explanation. Do not forget to subscribe and click on the like button. Gracias.